Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Make sure eFootball 2026 is updated and your cloud save is backed up so progress is safe. Once done, open the game, go straight to Settings, then Account and Google Sign In. You will sign out the current Gmail there. This is the first actionable step because you must clear the existing link before adding a new address. Make sure both the old and new Gmail passwords are handy to avoid interruptions during the switch. Next, unlink the current account by tapping Unlink or Sign Out. Doing this prevents sync conflicts. Then choose Link Account and pick Sign In with Google, entering your new Gmail credentials when prompted. Follow the Google authentication flow precisely, grant the permissions eFootball requests, and confirm account linking. This step resolves identity mapping between your game profile and Gmail, so take a moment to verify the displayed email before confirming to avoid linking the wrong account. Finally, verify the change. Go back to Settings account and confirm the new Gmail is listed, then restart the game and test login. If your purchases or cloud save don't appear, use the Restore Purchases option or re-link cloud save from the same menu. If something goes wrong, try the troubleshooting tip. Clear the app cache, sign out from Google on the device, or reinstall the game. Also check Google account security settings and two-step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.